How to download apps in Android without payment method. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to download apps in Android without payment method. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Google Play Store on your Android device. Navigate to profile icon at top right and a menu appear. You simply need to select payment and subscription. On this page, select payment methods. So once you reach on this page, if you have any payment method saved, you simply need to remove it by selecting it and then tapping remove. When downloading free apps, the Play Store won't ask for payment information. For paid apps, you will need to re-add a payment method. If Google Play Store still asks for payment information, you can create a new Google account. For that, you need to exit Google Play Store, head to your device settings, scroll to the bottom of your screen, and then tap on Users and accounts, tap on Google, or instead if you wish to create new one, tap on add account, select Google. You need to verify it's you and then you will land on this sign in page where you can create a new Google account and you can set up new account by skipping adding payment method. You can use this account for downloading apps without needing to add payment information. And that's all for today. With that, you can easily download apps in Android without payment method. Hope this guide helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.